Hey guys, in this lecture we'll be learning about lists in Python. So you guys might be wondering what are lists. So generally lists are some collection of data, maybe anything that may be string, that may be numerical or any type of data, any sort of data. The collection of such datas are said as string. Let's move on to the topic. Going on to the Python shell. Take an example. Consider that we have an office where there are 5 steps. Now storing the name of those 5 steps in a single variable, that may be staff's name, which equals to, that may be Ram, that may be John, that may be Harry, that may be Louis, that may be 1 2 3 4 and Ted. So what we have done here is that this list of data, these 5 datas, are stored in a variable name, that is staff's name. So when we type the variable name in the program, we can get the values which are stored in the list. See the values, the outcome. So another type of list that is used in Python generally, for the same example where we had 5 steps in office, taking the same example in Python's list, steps name variable 2, which equals let's take same values, Ram, Sam, Harry, Louis and Ted. Now we have made 2 variables. The first one is staff's name and the second one is staff name 2. So now checking the values in staff's name 2, that is variable number 2, we get the output as this. See the difference? Here the initial and the final point are enclosed by big braces, where the first variable had values enclosed within parentheses or simple braces. So you guys might be wondering what is the difference between these 2 lists. What might be the difference? So you guys might be wondering that what might be the difference between these 2 examples. As you guys are watching this video, you might know that Python is a very simple language compared to other languages. So let me show the difference between these 2 variables, that is scalability or the power to be updated. So in the first variable we had staff name, which has value of this. You guys already know that arrays always start with 0. The first value is index 0, second 1, third is 2, and fourth has value 3, and so on. The same applies here too. But now let's check by updating the values in these 2 variables. That may be staff's name index 0. Let that value be updated as Sita. So it shows an error. See here, track back, most recent call, last, type error, tuple object does not support item assignment. It shows an error like this. But while updating in the second variable, staff's name to index 0, while we update the value of staff's name to index value of 0 as a value Sita, then it does not show any error. Now we can check the value, either it is updated in the memory location or not. The values, the variable's name was staff name 2. we updated the value of location or index 0 as Sita. Here we had the index 0's value as Ram, but here we have the value as Sita. That means we have updated the value of this variable's index number 0 as Sita. So this is the difference between basic string functions and lists or array in Python. Its scalability is what makes it different. So we have seen here that how easily the value of any array or list can be updated in Python. So this is the easiness, this is the simplicity of Python compared to other programming languages. Okay guys, thank you. In next topic we will be talking about list functions in Python. So stay tuned, we'll see you in next lecture. Thank you guys.